Guys, this is going to be a really quick and simple tutorial on how to fix a loose input on this beautiful Squier Telecaster. Love this guitar, but this thing kind of got wobbly and loose, and so I just did this. This is my first guitar repair. I am not mechanically inclined, but this is really easy, guys. So really the only thing I used was a Phillips head screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Look at those beauties. This was a failed repair over here on that Ibanez up there. I could not repair that one. Just being honest. So this was really loose. So what I did was took I got a magnetic one. You don't need a magnetic one. Now I did make some mistakes on this, so I'm going to show you what I did. I actually need to put a screw in up here. On this model, the Squier Telecaster, Lake Placid blue, you only need to take out the top screw and the bottom screw. I made the mistake of taking out the screws that go to this, and that was a little bit of work to get those back in properly to hold this in place. So leave those alone. The screws right here and right here, leave those alone. Just unscrew this one and this one. And so you remove this plate, and don't be concerned at all. Just take this whole plate, take everything in here, and sit it to the side right here. And then you're gonna reach inside here and hold that in place. And you're gonna grab your needle nose pliers with your right hand. And it's a little bit tricky if you're by yourself or if you're filming a YouTube video. And I just hold it in place from the back and grab it right here. I had to hold the guitar up and just twist. You may have to twist it a lot. Now don't tighten it, don't over tighten it, but that really was a simple solution to this. So I fixed that guitar. That was on my list today. You can see I'm gonna call my doctor, fix my glasses, and fix guitar. Fix that one. Hey buddy, say hello. Fix that one. Could not fix this one. I'll show you the damage. The damage on here, right there. There's where it was, and there's where it is, somewhere down in there. Cannot fix this beauty. I'm gonna have to take this to my local guitar center and see how much that's gonna be to replace something like that. So, but yeah, that one was difficult. This one, super easy.